Dr. Drama here. I've got a friend to loan me a truck, and the reason being I was told that the site I'm going to, I actually need a semi to haul all the relics and the goodies out. So I'm going to go ahead and get in here. Oh, air ride too. What do you think? All right, let me see if I can get her started here. We got he says it has what, 2 squirrels in there running in a cage? Okay, so I'll throw a nut in and see if they'll chase it. We'll be looking forward to seeing them. I can't wait to show you all our goodies. Get there and bang. It's been a while since I've over this truck. I don't think it's a token. It rings like 57. I don't know, I'll have to get it cleaned up. Definitely not iron. Not sure what it is. Okay, deeper than heck. I mean, I already put dirt back in there. That's 10 inches. I've got this, I'm not sure. I thought it was a lamp part at first, but obviously you can see it's not. Some work on it. Kind of looks like some type of escutcheon plate. 2 places for screws. However, yeah, I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. We'll see if we can get some writing off of it. History in your hand right there. Look at this Ford. That is cool. That's a big clock gear. It's the biggest I've ever found. Look at the size of that thing. Should have seen the signal. 94, 95. Down in there too. Nice heavy brass. All right, I've arrived. And look what I found. Bottles everywhere. Trash dumped. Impossible to work practically. Here's the line, so that's somebody else's property. I won't go over there. I don't have permission. But I mean, they've dumped everything in here. I did get a bromo bottle, blue glass. Picked it up here on this side. And then a Vicks Vapor Rub, blue glass. A lot of whiskey bottles, the old Pepsi bottles. A lot of wine bottles. And beer cans. So there you got it. We will inform you when anything changes. I'm going to work the field out here and see. Maybe they wandered out there. There's English ivy everywhere. I see there's daffodils in the front yard. So I'm going to work up here, which is be more of the front yard, and see what I can come up with. Somebody built an old shack there. I'm not sure there's a cistern over there or a makeshift sewage pit. I don't know what. But all right, I'm on recon. This is right next to a spring creek type deal. I'm assuming the house was probably washed away in 1913. There's English ivy and some other things in there. I can hear iron, but of course I can see there was a fence here at one time, so I don't know. This is so sweet. Well, I feel bad for the farmer because of the erosion, but this torrent of water has actually gone through this whole area where the house was. Might be one reason they tore the house down, I don't know, but kind of a bad place. Some desert glass over there, I'm going to get it. A piece right there. But I guarantee you we're going to pull some stuff here anytime. Yeah, this is a Rains Guide, and look at that. Isn't that stunning? Look at the design. Brass, silver plated. Gasp. Strange how hard it was to find. Oh, there was a nut on top of an old steel nut. I found that too. Okay, I'm tickled with that. Part of a watch bezel, looks like. Right on top of the root. Shotgun, this was where I stopped. I heard the shotgun going off. Heaven's sake. You never know. This is the kind of place I'm dealing with. Look at this. Look at this glass. Nails, iron. Here's a marble. Look at that. Look over there. Everywhere. Look at the glass. There's a piece of copper tubing. A lot of copper tubing in here. Plumbing parts. But make sure you get stuff like this out. Because it could be on top of something you really want to dig and you're not going to hear it very well. Look at this over here. Look at this. This must be their trash pile. Oh, we're going to sift this sometime, I hope. Get to it before he gets this planted. Man. And this place washed out. It's a huge wash. It's so cool. Look at the glass down here. Look at this. I've never been in a place like this. Piece of iron. I'm going to get it out of the way. Iron everywhere. Look at all the nails. This is one of the sites where you have to bring the big trash bag. Or the big service bag, whatever you want to call it. Some of the orange glass. I love that stuff. I put it in jars. It's so beautiful for a sun catcher. Oh, look at there. There's a button. Got to be their trash pile. More iron. I want to try to get the kids here. They won't be sorry. A lot of stuff to dig. And you'd be surprised, there's so many 76, 77s. It's unbelievable. And they turn out to be coins, solid numbers. I've just never been on a site like this. I love there's some purple, I want to get that. Here's some blue, some more blue. Oh, you gotta love this. I'm just gonna go swimming in it. I worked the lower part down there last night over in there, but this is the first I've been in here. This is the biggest pile of glass I've ever seen. There's a desertification there on that. It's just stunning. Well, I'll have to bring my machine over. Oh, look at that car part. Or off a piece of farm machinery, cog. My pouch is absolutely full. I'm going to have to go to car. I can stay out here as long as I want. I have lighting. Depends how cold I get. Sun's going down. Absolutely amazing place. Still there, right there. Yeah, 82, 83, 81. And we got a nail there. Remember, don't throw your nails down. A beautiful piece up here. I'm not sure whether it would be jewelry or whether it's a finial type piece. It's a leaf. Very nice. Got a couple coins. I think I found where they lost their money. This appears to be the driveway, so that's always a good place to look. We'll post you. I think I got an Indian and a Wheatie. The one I think's the Indian is in such bad shape, I can't really tell. of it a little bit. Might as well find out, huh? These, the Wheatie was just laying on the ground. I'm sure that's an Indian. It's like somebody did something in the middle of it. They drilled a hole through it. I don't think it's a button. I might be wrong. Looks like I can see the headdress, possibly. I don't know. Might be a button. Well, you see what you want to see, right? We'll find out. So right there. Yes, accident. All right, I'm here on site. I'm waiting on Caleb. It's right next to the old track bed. We found a house on the 36, and then by 44 it was gone. I was out there. It's corn fodder. A lot of it's mashed down, so it looks okay. I saw some brick. I didn't necessarily see any glass, but I could hear the nails. So I think we're all set. The wind's bad today, so if we record out there, we'll try to muffle it down a little. Hope we find something. Like I said, I just scanned through it real quick because I'm waiting on Caleb, but I think I hit a couple high tones. So well, we got a little wind going. You got a buckle going here, so trying to block the wind. Good job, Caleb.
Best signal of the day.
Obviously somebody's been here. So. Okay, Caleb stayed out there with it, the old guy. I decided to come in and eat something and cool off. It's about 81 to 82 degrees today. Got a little juvenile button here, looks like. I love finding those. And, you know, we're exploring history, so this tells us there was probably a little one there, right, Caleb?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Oh, yeah.
There's that anchor button. It's probably civilian.
Yeah, I didn't get a shot of it, I don't think, or did I? Is this? Oh, yeah, okay, I see it there.
That's
I thought it was upside down.
There's the bail seal.
I love that buckle.
Yeah, it's a nice buckle.
I got a feeling that's old. I don't know why. Yeah, and that's a brass hook. That is so. It got the acorn on the end.
It's a spoon bowl, believe it or not.
Yeah, what's left of it?
This is a who knows.
I'd say a horse piece myself, but I don't know.
I'm gonna have to clean it up and.
Yeah, you could probably get a little more detail. Is that pewter? No, it's. I see the green.
Man, it sounded good.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is just.
What was the round thing?
Kind of nut.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
And the nickel. Let me get one more shot of it. I mean, hey, we got a coin from, 80 some years old, so.
Not too bad.
Here's got cleaned up enough to read it. Let's see there. Madam, expect best. Yeah, it is a Rouge container unless. Best results from Lady Esther Rouge unless you carefully follow direction. Chicago. Hey, thanks. See if anybody comes on. Got a little find here. It fooled me at first, but I know what it is. Absolutely. This rang a solid 76. It was almost on the surface, and I thought, well, it's got to be a piece of aluminum, which is what you would think. But remember, there were silvers that weren't sterling, and even lower, like 80% silver, which I'm assuming that's what this is. Let me come around here. Hey, Nick. It's got a mark on it. Lid to a watch. You see the mark there in the middle, and it polishes up, but it's only a solid 76. So there you have it. Little silver in the field. Hot dog. Hey, I'm one happy camper right now. Finally got a sight. Hadn't been pounded. Got a beauty of a find. Been a long time since I found one of these. I mean, it's a beauty too. See, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 stars. 5 in the middle, and a shield on the back. You know where I'm going. I can see the date. Ready? I'll bring you around. Let me see if anybody comes on. I got pewter back there, and I knew the place was old. Pewter spoon, spoon handle. As a matter of fact, I think I found all the spoon in one trail. I'll see if I can put it together. Okay. See if we can see the date. Come on, baby. Don't do the rotate device. You guys probably already saw it. I think I'm public. I put something up private a little while ago, so. And then here's a shield nickel. So that's what's going on out in my neck of the woods. I'm just getting started too. That was laying on the ground. I saw it. I said, I know that's a nickel. I hit it with the machine, and perfect nickel. Talk about a noise. See if anybody comes on. Flying right in the middle of the field. I'm out in the middle of the field following GPS on an old map on Maprika. Not seeing anything here. But solid 91 right in front of me. Let me see. I might make a fool out of myself. Looks like a coin. Most definitely a coin. I assume it's a largie. I never saw really how high they ring on the laying on the ground. Let me rub my pants here with it. It's in the middle of nowhere, okay? Nowhere fine, in the middle of nowhere fine. I think it's a matron, looks like. Let me see here. Dumb luck. Talk about, yeah, I think it's a matron. Look. I'm live. Dr. Drama's here. I'm here with a dear friend. He's been so gracious to let me dig here in his front yard. There used to be an old house, really, right in front of their newer house, and is a huge iron signal. I said, I'm going to dig it just to see what it is. And you know, it's a 1 in 100 holes that you're going to dig something. Let me go ahead and come around. Okay, there's my shovel. There's my hole. It was big and it was deep too. As I mentioned, I knew it was a large piece of iron. Okay, you ready for this? Need light, don't we? Hold on. Oh, look at this. Yes, it's a soldier. I'd say World War I by looking at the hat. We were just saying World War II, weren't we? See the hat? The doughboy hat? Look at this. Everything there is there but the foot. Looks like he was a radio man. I absolutely can't believe it. I'll get on eBay and see exactly what this is as far as who makes it. I'm just stunned. There's the back of the boots out there and the foot. I think I could probably make a foot for it. So there you have it. I am just absolutely elated.